Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. I have here a component which I made a video tutorial about. If you would like to know how I made this component, comment and I will be sure to post it online. This is a gate, a double leaf gate with two columns. This gate component is fully parametric. You can see the design elements, the balusters on the top and the corrugation on the body. You can see the corrugation on the body. You can see the framing and the columns. I will model the hinges for the gates to attach them to the column and a handle. So if you want to see how I made this component, if you want to learn my method of making such components, comment below and I'll be sure to post the video tutorial of how I made this component. Now let me show you how this component works. I'm going to load it into a project. I have a project open already and set up. On the floor plan, this is what it looks like. I've created these walls. So I'm going to put the component here behind the wall. I'm going to put another one here to the right and then to the left. On the left side, I'll have to. You will see later what I mean by creating these spaces. So let me load it in right away. Come here, come to the family editor, and then say load into the project. Let's give it some time to load in. Yeah, there it is, loaded inside the project. Let me drop this one here. And you can nudge it to put it in place. And then let me use align tool to center it one. So you have this component now loaded into our project. Let us see how it looks on the 3D. Okay. So okay, now let me show you what I mean by it is fully parametric. It can be customized however you want it to be. You see these balusters here and the panel, the corrugation panel inside. You can adjust the lengths and their widths. You can adjust their depth, the pitch of the corrugation. You can adjust even the hinges here. You can increase the number of hinges and reduce the number of hinges depending on how you want it to look like. You can adjust the height and the however you want it to. Okay, let me copy it out and show you what I mean by adjusting the. Select, use the copy tool and copy. Let me bring this one out here. Hit cancel. Okay. Let me go to my 3D view. Let me isolate this one. Isolate element. Okay, so this is the component here. When you select it, you can come to the properties, type, edit type. You can specify the number of hinges. Let's start from the hinges. You can specify the number of hinges. You can reduce it to 2. You see one off, one off. You can increase it. You can put 5 hinges if you want, and they are all line up. Okay, but I think 3 is okay for this double gate component. So let me take it at 3. You can adjust the width, normal parameter. You can make it 4000 mm. Apply, and it will adjust. You can adjust the height. Something is wrong with the height. Fine, I will fix that one later. Then okay, let me go to the baluster. This baluster here, you can adjust the height of the baluster. You can make them 600 or more. So, okay, you can adjust the height of the column. Even if the columns are too big, you can reduce them, make them maybe 300 or let me say 250 by 250 by, you see, it's become smaller, or you can even make it bigger. You can make it 600 by 600, however you wish it to look like. But let us leave it at 450 by 450. Apply. Okay, so let me go to the type again. Column height, you can adjust the height of your column. You can make it 500. You can make it shorter, however you want it to be, but let me leave it at the default 27. Column height 27. Apply. Okay, so you can also adjust the panel. These gate panels can adjust their heights. Make them 3000. Apply. And to go up. So I'll make it even more, 4000. To still go higher, and I can bring it down to 2000, and it will still come down. But at 2000, I see that the top hinge is now hanging. That one is not a problem. You can also adjust the height of the top, the elevation of the top hinge elevation, top hinge elevation. You can set the height. Maybe you make it 1800. Apply. I can even remove the make it 200. I mean 2 hinges. So it's fully customizable. All right, cancel. Let's undo. Yes. Let's undo to, yeah. So delete. Okay, you can see how easily it is to customize. Now we can, let me copy it to the back side. Copy. Yeah. Cancel. And set this type. I'm going to create a new type. So I'm going to duplicate, call it type 2. And this type 2 will be 1200 wide. Or I can make it 1000. Let me do it 1000 wide. Apply. I don't need it as a double panel gate. I'm going to uncheck the double panel. Apply. And there it is. Let me move it into place. And adjust this locking. Even it's resting perfect. So it's a double swing gate. Now, let me copy this one to this other part. copy, rather let me mirror it. Copy will be okay. Copy from here to here, cancel, and then I'm going to mirror this one and change this one to the type 2, the 100 meter, 1 meter part. Now you see that it has double columns now, and I don't need this second one to have a second column. It should only have one column. So I can come and click this one column and apply. Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to remove number of panels, reduce number of panels to 1, because it will not apply if it is still double column. It will not remove one column if it's still double panel. Now let me align it up. Cool. Let's see how it looks like on the 3D. Okay, here on the 3D, this one has more number of panels. The panel is a little compacted to this one. Even the balusters looking a little more compacted. We have to make it to look even. That means I have to. Let's see how many panels does this one have. This one has 5 number of balusters per panel, and this one has 8 panels for the. Okay, so let's divide this one. Instead of leaving it at 5, let's say 2 for the balusters, and then for the panels you can come down to 4 or 3. Let me use 4 first. Let's see how it looks like. Apply. Still working. Still working. It's not. Let me reduce this again to 3. Okay, I think 3 comes close. The other one. Let me reduce the number of hinges to 2. I don't need that many number of hinges for the small gate. Alright. Okay, let's see how it looks like. If you want to, this one is looking a little small. The baluster spacing is looking a little compacted to this one. So maybe you can increase this one to balance it out, or still reduce this one. But I don't think reducing this one will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to 4 panels here. So let me edit type. It has 4. Supposed to be. It's giving an error message. Let's cancel it. So cancel it. I think it would be best to increase the number of balusters here to make it look like the other one on the left. Instead of 5 here, we can go for 7. Apply. I think 7 is too much, so let's go for 6. Yeah, 6 looks okay. And then the panels, maybe we should increase it again. The collocation panel. Yeah, mine is okay. Alright, so here we go. As I said, you can adjust the size of these balusters. Adjusting them, it will update all of them. So that's how you can quickly model a fully parametric gate that will cater for most of your design needs. If you want to learn how to make a component like this, comment below and I will upload the video tutorial for you to learn. Thank you for watching.